Hello everyone and welcome back to Amazon. Today we present to you the OnePlus Y1s Pro TV. At the first glance, you will notice that the OnePlus Y1s Pro has a stylish bezel-less frame, offering a compelling cinematic experience. This design sets it apart from other TVs in this price segment, as they usually come with a thick bezel. Now here's what is the best part about this TV. It's impeccable picture quality. Just have a look at it, guys. Adorned with a 4K Ultra HD screen, witness your entire world only in 4K. Extraordinary clarity with ultra-realistic detail will take your viewing experience to the ultimate level, be it games or movies. Control, connect and share your content with the OnePlus Connect 2.0 app and Oxygen Play 2.0 app. With your OnePlus account, enter a world of entertainment with one easy-to-use smart hub made to provide uninterrupted content for you and your family. It also connects to auto game mode with auto low latency mode support as soon as you connect your gaming console via HDMI. This gives you a fluid and ultra-responsive gaming experience. The world of smart interaction starts here, guys. If you own a OnePlus watch, you'd be happy to pair it with the OnePlus Y1s Pro TV. Experience fast and smooth pairing to OnePlus audio devices. You can also connect it with your OnePlus buds to enjoy a rich and immersive listening experience. The OnePlus Y1s Pro comes with the advanced Gamma engine, which optimizes the display quality, bringing every scene to life. It's a great bonus to have the MEMC. The Y1s Pro TV gives you the picture-perfect visuals, as it has the most popular high dynamic range formats. All these transform your visuals with a brighter, sharper image, full of depth and vivid details. The Y1s Pro has the flagship level multicast that allows two phone displays to be cast at the same time, perfect for cooperative mobile gaming. The Y1s Pro TV is packed with powerful speakers boosted by the Dolby audio. Y1s Pro is run by Android TV 10 and is paired with a powerful 64-bit processor, enabling faster navigation and loading time. This latest OS is intuitive and intelligent. You can use voice commands through Google Assistant and access a huge library of apps from the Play Store, keeping you in charge of all your content. In addition, you can access up to 17 exciting content providers, popular channels, and the latest OTT apps. The OnePlus TV Y1s Pro comes with the option of a stand and wall mount and offers a viewing angle of 178 degrees, which proves to be extremely helpful for compact spaces. The OnePlus Y1s Pro TV is a must-buy, whether you are a gamer or a cinema lover. Some features are OnePlus exclusives, which you won't get in any other TVs of this range. So, you can't go wrong with this one. Until next time, keep shopping and thanks for watching.